2 Dutch F-35 fighters intercepted Russian bombers near Poland and escorted them out, the Dutch Defense Ministry said in a statement late Wednesday. The unidentified aircraft approached Poland NATO area of responsibility from Kaliningrad, according to a translation of the ministry statement. Kaliningrad is a region of Russia-Baltic coast, located between NATO and European Union members Poland and Lithuania. Once identified, it turned out to be a Russian Tupolev Tu-95 aircraft, escorted by 2 Su-30 flankers. Dutch F-35 escorted the formation remotely and handed over the escort to NATO partners. Tupolev Tu-95 is the NATO reporting name for the Russian strategic bomber aircraft, while Su-30 flanker is the NATO reporting name for the Sukhoi Su-30 fighter aircraft. The Russian Defense Ministry did not immediately respond to a Reuters request for comment. The Dutch Ministry of Defense said that 8 Dutch F-35 were stationed in Poland for April and May,